goodbye.
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 I'm awfully glad that I had the pleasure of meeting you.
Oh, well, I'm more than satisfied myself. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I want to thank you, too, for buying my lunch.
Oh, well, you didn't eat much. So goodbye.
Goodbye.
Which way do you go?
Oh, I go off this way.
Oh, well, I'm going over that way, too.
Oh, lovely.
Well, goodbye. Oh, goodbye.
Oh, wait a minute. I've got to go in the baggage room.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'll just run along. I don't suppose I'll see you again.
Oh, why not?
Oh, well, you know how those train things are. You meet somebody, and then when you get to the town, you never see them again.
Oh, but I'd like to see more of you. I'll come up to the house sometime, huh? Good. Why not come up this afternoon?
Oh, all right. What's that address? Have you got a pencil? You got a piece of paper?
I got a card.
Oh. What time will that come? Have you got a watch?
1:30.
All right. What's that address?
22 Berkeley Square.
Thanks.
Goodbye.
Bye. I'll be seeing you.
I'm sorry, old man, but you know how ghosts are.
Oh, well. That's all right. For once I had presence of mind.
Why, what do you mean?
I bought a suit with 2 pairs of pants. Had some breakfast for the goat. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes. Pardon me.
Young man, don't you know better than to sneeze in a public conveyance?
Oh, I'm sorry.
One public sneeze may affect hundreds of people.
I got hay fever, you see. I can't help
That
it.
one sneeze of yours can spread millions of germs.
Well, I won't do it again. I'm sorry.
See that you don't.
I won't.
Young man,
I'm sorry, sir.
I thought I told you not to sneeze in here anymore.
But I got hay fever, you see. Oh, now, wait a minute. Hey. Oh, listen, Oh, am I sorry? Now, wait a minute.
Get away. And keep away.
Yes, sir. Give me a paper, son. Oh! Am I sorry? Now, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, will ya? I couldn't... hold it. Wait a minute. Here. Oh. Thanks. Why... Oh! Oh, am I sorry?
I don't know what you have to be sorry about.
Well, let me brush you off a little, old man. Accidents will happen, you know. Look out! Look out! Oh, am I sorry? Let me help you out, old timer. Gee whiz. I hope that don't happen again. Let me brush you off a little. Oh, gee. You've no idea how sorry I am.
Oh, you're sorry, are you?
Oh, no. Pop.
Look out below!
Look out! Oh, am I sorry?
Well, you're still sorry, are you?
Here.
Why, Father! What in the world ever happened to you? Where have you been?
Oh, never mind, dearie. I'll tell you later. Give me main 8436, please. Hello? Is this the Dixon Motor Company? Yeah. This is Mr. White. I've decided to take that car I looked at. Can you send it up right away? Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, Daddy, is that a present for me?
No. It's a present for me. I'm taking my last ride on a streetcar.
Oh, Father, I met the most wonderful boy coming home on the train today, and he's going to come up and see me this afternoon. Oh, I bet that's Charlie now.
Oh, wait a minute. I can't see anybody like this.
Well, hurry upstairs and then get dressed.
It won't take a minute.
Hello.
Good afternoon. May I have your hat?
Have it?
Well, I mean, take it.
Well, I'll loan it to you.
Oh, it's a nice new one, isn't it?
I just got it. A fellow on the streetcar broke my other one. I sneezed on his neck.
Did you think I was going to break it, too?
Well, one never knows.
What's that?
That's a bell. I mean a horn.
Oh, that's the new car Daddy bought. Wait till I get my hat. Let's go out and see it.
All right. Oh, boy.
Yes. Well,
Well, I'd say it's swell.
my, look at it. Isn't it grand?
I beg your pardon, miss. That's for your car.
Oh, thank you.
Gee, it sure is pretty. It certainly is a beauty.
Isn't it grand?
What kind is it?
It's a blue one.
I was wondering. Pretty one, too.
Isn't it lovely?
Nice, pretty blue one.
Young man, you get out of here.
Well,
Oh, but Daddy, this is the nice young man I was telling you about. And I want to take him for a ride. Oh, Daddy, pretty please now. Pretty please. Come on. Pretty please. Pretty
All right.
please.
You get in there and drive it.
But I can't drive. You drive it.
I can't drive.
Well, Charlie, will you teach Daddy to drive this afternoon?
Why?
sure. Get right in. I'll show you as we go along. Now, that's the key.
What kind is it?
Oh, the blue one. Now you step on the starter. And,
What are you holding your nose for?
oh, well, you see, when I got some pressure against my nose, I don't sneeze.
I can fix that.
How?
Have you got a rubber band?
Yeah, here, one right here.
Take off your hat. There.
Oh, that's much better. That's it. Now you step on the starter.
Yeah, this thing here?
Yeah, that's it. Now pull that thing back. That's it. Those are your gears. Now just take your foot off.
I can't get through here. What do I do?
Well, I guess you better turn to your left.
On your left. How do you turn to your left?
Well, wait a minute. You better give a signal first. Stick your hand out.
That's your fault.
My fault?
Yes. You get my glove.
Well, you pull up over the side. I'll get it. Whoa, now. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, what's her name, Jack?
What?
That's Milton.
Milton?
Yeah. Whoa, Milton. Oh, now, Milton, come on, will ya? Now, Milton, come here. Come here. Oh, Milton, now come on. Oh! Oh, I'm awfully sorry. There, take that.
There, you get in here and drive this thing.
But, Father, I don't know how to drive it.
Get in here. I'd rather take a chance with you than that idiot. Get in here.
Hey, Chief! Do you see that car? Yeah. Well, listen, catch it for me, will you, please?
Up there.
Stop that thing. Don't go. Don't go over there.
I can't help it.
Don't you know how to shut it off? I'm coming in, Sid. Hang on, I'll be there in a few minutes.
Oh, I don't know how to shut it off. Oh, Charlie!
Now, don't give up this ship now. Just keep steering it. Oh, I'm having an awful time, but I'll be there. That's it. Come on, get that foot. You don't know how to stop this
Charlie!
thing.
Help us, help us!
Set it off.
Oh, come on and help us, Charlie!
Oh, this is terrible. Hurry up, will you? Hurry. That's it, honey. Just keep steering it. I'll get... Go a little faster, will you? That's it. Come on, honey. Oh, my goodness. Are you all right?
I just
Oh,
frightened to death.
my boy, thank you. It's all right. Now, is there anything I can do to show my appreciation?
Yes? Let me take this rubber off my nose.
All right.